everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interview some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're back with OBS and some helpful tips with OBS, and we do short, small segments in regards to some of your guys' questions out there. So make sure you do like and subscribe, and whatever questions you may have about any of the editing, whatever we may be putting out there that are the Tech Tuesdays that you need help on, just put it in the comments or email us and we'll try to create a video for that to help you guys out there. So today we're talking about the OBS, and the question that we had was within OBS, they wanted to know about this background here on how to add a video. So what you want to do is you want to go down and click on this little plus button. So right now we're actually in a new screen. It's called Screen 2. You can add that, and you can add whatever you want to it when you're creating a new OBS platform. This will have your audio, mic, and everything else in there. But we'll talk about a little bit of the additions there to set a few other settings within there. But we're just talking about the video here, and you want to click the plus and go into the media source. So if you want to play a video, you click the media. So if it's ocean background, you can name it an ocean background and just put that in there, click OK. So then when it clicks OK, you go to your next screen, and if you want that video to continuously play, you just click loop. So if you only have a 30-second video, which we find most of the time that's the best thing to do, is to loop your videos, because if you put a 2-3 hour video in there that's you try to play through, sometimes it gets kind of lengthy. But if you want a real long one, you can put 2, 3, 4 hours behind you playing, depending upon if you're doing a live stream or if you're doing just a recorded video. So it all depends on what you're doing. So then when you get your video, let's say, like I said, it's the ocean, we'll click on Browse File. So once we clicked on the Browse File, I pulled a file from one of our saved files that we had an ocean in the background playing. So you'll see it's from my D drive, and then you click OK. So there it is in the background playing. You can see the ocean playing, but if you want to make it bigger to fit the screen, there you go. You have a nice little video in the background. So there's several actually topics we could discuss within this and helpful tips, but this is just for the video. But we'll be doing a lot more of these within OBS and trying to help you guys out in all the questions that you have. So we hope this helps you with your video implementation within OBS.